Imagine a world without robots. Factories would be filled with humans working tirelessly on repetitive tasks. Sounds exhausting, right? Luckily, we have robots. Industrial robots are machines that perform various tasks like welding, painting, and packaging. They're like superpowered assistants, working 24/7 without tiring. Robots are incredibly precise and consistent, performing tasks without mistakes. They can operate in environments too dangerous for humans. Humans excel at problem-solving and creativity, while robots shine in speed and accuracy. Combining both creates efficient and productive processes. Robots are used in industries such as automotive, electronics, and even food, helping to build cars, smartphones, medical devices, and more. The future of manufacturing features robots and humans collaborating on innovative products, resulting in flexible, efficient, and sustainable factories. Challenges like job displacement arise with the use of robots. Experts believe new industries and jobs will be created, requiring new skills. Robots at work, shaping the future of manufacturing.